This model kit reviews of the P-47D Thunderbolt, the Razorback version, and is a 1/48 scale model by Revell. And here you can see the two options and colors needed, and the dimensions and a picture of the finished model. Let's have a look inside. First of all, here we can look at our canopy. It's actually nicely molded. Looking at the fuselage, we do have some older. This is an older model. We have some raised panel lines, but a fair amount of surface detail, including here, and looks like the wheel well. We have our fuel tank. For some reason this is separate. And here's the wings with the guns, and our tail, stabilizers. This is molded in 1967, and our engine cowl. Here's our propeller. Fair amount of detail. It's actually all very well molded. I don't see much in the way of flashing, a few mold lines only. Looks like our guns, our landing gear. Here's the cockpit tub with some detail there. Here's our low wing with actually some detail inside the wheel well. That's fairly impressive for an older model. And our radial engine. Here's our instrument panel. And our tail wheel, wheels, wheel well covers. Looking at our decal sheet, actually a tremendous amount of detail here. You can tell even these little ones, they're reproduced in our two different options. Going through our instruction sheet. Colors needed. Start off with the cockpit and our instrument panel. That's then put inside the fuselage. Fuselages are glued together. Then on goes the stabilizer and tail wheel. Next we glue the wings together, and those are then stuck onto the fuselage. Landing gear, and weapons, and fuel tank, and bombs, and then engine and engine cowl, propeller. Here's our pilot, and canopy goes on, either open or closed. And looks like we have several different options actually. Here's one, and another, and another. And then we have the top and bottom decal and paint guide. Here are the common markings. So all in all, some detail, some very nice decals.